Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sorry for not posting regularly. You guys must be like, where was I? So I was sick, so I was not filming. So now I am back. I'm still not that great, but I'm better now. So today I have done this look, and I have used really affordable new makeup. So it is like full face first impression. So yeah, if you are interested in this video, this is the look. You guys know I love purple liner, and this is so pretty. You guys must know by now that I love purple, and this purple liner situation is looking so cute. So if you are interested in how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so for eyebrows, I've already done my eyebrows. I don't have any new eyebrow product, and let me just spritz this plum face mist first, you know like a dewy primer. Okay, so for primer, now I'm going to use this new Inside Cosmetic 3-in-1. It says Prime, Protect, and Moisturize. This is 30 ml. So this is the first time I'm trying this out. It's a silicone-based primer as usual. I am already panning my Blue Heaven one. So let's just see. Yeah, I don't think so. You can see on camera. See, this side will be more matte now. You can see now all the shine is gone. And with pore filling primer, I have some pores here. And yeah, I just like to concentrate this around where I have pore issues. Like around here I have some pore issues, so I hope you can see that it is working. And I will take it like here I sweat a lot, so I like to apply such primers. And I'm not going to use this all over my face. For that, I'm going to use my March one. Now for my whole face, I'm going to use March Take a Glow primer. Now this is my favorite dewy makeup base. So I'm going to take 2 pumps because I have dry skin, and I love to apply this in a generous amount. And since now it is winter, I will apply it really generously. You can see the glow this provides, and the glow this provides is really pretty, really pretty. See. Okay, I'm so excited. So Blue Heaven has launched this BB cream. I don't know when I saw this, and I was like, let's just try it. And this is the outer box, and this was 90 rupees when I purchased it. I have got all the things in Great Indian Festival sale, and this is the tube. It is 30 ml, and my shade is medium. And let's just see. I hope it's not a matte foundation. Otherwise, I have to mix something. And this is the consistency. I think it's quite thick. I will apply it like this. Why it is looking orange almost on camera? Okay, let's just see shade match. Uh, okay, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is looking weird, you guys. Oh my god. Blue Heaven, the concealer is really good, but don't you think this was really difficult to blend? Okay, so this is my face. Coverage, like I don't expect a lot of coverage from BB cream. I will use my flat top kabuki brush now. Let's just hope we can build this up and blend this up, hopefully. Yeah, with brush, the coverage is at least, it's looking like I have something, you know. Coverage wise, okay, it's okay for daily basis. Uh, what do you guys think? The coverage is, very sheer. So I like this applying with the brush because this side is brush, this side is beauty blender, and I think I will use a brush and I will try to layer it cause coverage. Where is the coverage? I mean, it's there, but it's like really sheer. Uh, okay, thank God we have a concealer which is a dupe of Elegal concealer. So yeah, okay. So this is the second layer. Guy, you might know that I don't like to build up my foundations, and I love like medium coverage, sheer coverage. So it's good for me. Uh, yeah. Now I like it. See, it's like covering, but not that much. It's like sheer coverage, and I don't think so. You can build this up to medium coverage. So this will be like sheer coverage. But I like the way this blends with a brush. So if you are planning to try this, use a brush. There were 3 shades in it. I don't know what to comment on shade range, but this is India, and Indian brands don't make shades. So what can I comment on that? The neck is a little bit darker than my face. Okay. And the finish, you guys, is not that dewy. I think it's matte but not Sahara, desert matte. You know what I mean, right? It's matte but it's not supremely dehydrated, or because I have really prepped my skin because of the fear of winter. If you have dry skin, you in winters your skin will like. First impression, I like it, but will this be my favorite BB cream? No, but it is nice. For 90 rupees, I think it is nice. Okay, for concealer, I'm so excited. This is the dupe of, this is the Mars concealer. It is the dupe of Elegant concealer. So this is the shade Pure Beige. Yep, they have duped the shade name, the packaging, everything. And I will use this. And this brush is so interesting. This applicator is interesting. So I'm concentrating on, here and here. And of course, on my eyelids. I'm going to use my beauty blender now. Wow, look at that. See, the coverage is good, you guys. That's why I don't mind, sheer coverage foundation, because I can use my concealer for coverage. And yeah, wow. See, the difference is and I was so sick these days, so it is kind of visible, I think, on my eyes. I hope so. It's not looking that tired and all, but that's why I was not filming, because I was sick. Wow, you guys, this just blends so effortlessly. Oh my god, oh my god, I love it. I am a huge fan now. I am not at that stage of my career where I can buy expensive things. So Elegant, the concealer is 700 rupees and it's never on discount. So I was like, I will never be able to use that, uh, you know. But now look at it. The only thing is applicator is not dispensing that much of product, which can be a pro or con depending on your requirements. For me, it's good. I am not a huge fan of full coverages or anything, so it's good for me, but that can be a con for you. But I like that you have control with this one, and shade match is good. I think it is matching me, and wherever the BB cream was not providing me coverage, you know I will use this. Okay, now I have just set my face ever so slightly. Okay, for blush, I think I will use this. This is my new Maybelline. These are newly launched. I mean, the shade extensions are newly launched, I think. And this were launched like few months back, and this was like 50% off. So I was like, let's just grab this, and I'm going to use my beauty blender. And wow, wow, these are pigmented. I thought they would be like muscular lip creams. Okay, 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 okay. But blushes are the first thing that's fade away, so I'm not worried about its you know so this side with this lipstick as a blush, and this side with no blush. I am loving this as a blush. It's looking so cute. Okay, so this. Okay, so this is this lipstick as blush, and I love it. I already have some gloss, and since this is winter, I want all the hydration. Okay, so let me just swatch it. This is the shade Best Babe. Look at it, such a pretty pink nude. And wow, this shade is so cute. And let's just see how this will dry down or not. These, I have no idea. This is the first impressions of everything, and so far I'm liking everything. Okay, so for bronzer, I don't have a new bronzer, and I think, yeah, I have not yet unboxed the bronzer, so I will use this, and that I will do separate first impressions on that one. Okay, so for eyes, I have this. You guys must be knowing that I love, purples, mauves. So I have this purple liner, and this was 50% off. And I was like, let's just get it. So I'm going to just use this. No eyeshadow today. So, so this is, the purple liner. Wow, it's looking so pretty. So I will do this eye and I will back. So this is the liner. And I am thinking about using it on my upper lashes. So let's just do that. So this is the liner. Okay, this is so cute, but the only con is you have to sharpen it. I don't like it because first of all, this one was like 500 rupees for this tiny liner, and I got it for like half off. And I think this is overpriced because if I have to sharpen it, product would be wasted. But this is so cute. I will try to find a cheaper alternative. I know NYB have a lot of these beautiful, colorful liners. I will definitely try to dupe this one out because you know, for a sharpenable lip, you know, eyeliner, I want it to be like 100 or 200 at least. This is slightly expensive for that. No, it should be around 100, but the color is so cute. I love a purple, so I am loving the color. Actually, the color is really pretty. The con is the price point, and you know, you have to sharpen it. Okay, now I will use my mascara. Okay, I am not applying any mascara to my lower lash line. The more I apply this mascara, the more that liner, you know, is kind of hiding, and I want to show it, and I don't want to hide it. Okay, now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild highlighter. I don't want that much highlighter today. The look is really simple, you know. So this is the look. I try to, you know, so I tried to use iron, you know what? I tried to use straightener today, and this is the result. Now I have, you know, so much of curly hairs that this is the result of using straightener. And I know I have a really old straightener, but still I have like really curly hairs. So this is the new Insight, you know, makeup fixer. And I was like, should I do that in winters? I don't know. Long lasting, non-sticky, and refreshing. And okay, this is the cutesy bottle. Okay. Okay, so this is, wow, the mist is fine. Lol, this has a pan like fragrance. I'm not kidding. It is smelling like pan. I don't know. See, I think this is natural kind of makeup fixer. It's not that dewy, not that you know, not that matte, not that dewy. So the mist is so fine. It legit smells like pan. It was 150 rupees, but still, why my makeup fixer is smelling like pan, I have no idea. Smells like pan. Okay. So this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Now let's just quickly summarize about all the things. The first thing, I tried the primer, of course, and it's a good silicone based pore minimizing mattifying primer. So if you want a pore minimizing primer, the thing is, I got it on a combo. This and the Instax contour stick was 240 rupees. So if you divide them by 2, one product cost me 120 rupees, which is for 120 rupees. This is a great primer. You must buy it and try to find that combo offer. Okay, so a great deal. And then the Blue Heaven BB cream. See, it is good. With Beauty Blender, it was looking quite patchy. It was not, and the coverage was 0. With brush, it was blending really. So this, will I recommend this? I don't know, for 98 rupees, and on Purple, after using that 50% coupon, it was 70 rupees. So I don't know, should I recommend it? I don't know. I am still on a fence about it because it's not that nice, you know. It's okay. It's okay for the price. So I don't know. Usually I only like drugstore makeup, which is like good regardless of the price, and this is good for the price. So yeah, this lipstick, first of all, I applied it over the gloss. You know, I have just little bit of gloss, and on top of it, I applied this. Oh my god, it's non-drying. It's like Mist Layer lip cream, but with more pigment. The only complaint about lip creams are Mist Layer lip creams. They are not that pigmented. So this is pigmented, and as blush, it is so cute. It is looking really nice. I'm going to use this as blush, and lipstick is really comfortable. And I have to test this without, you know, gloss or any moisturizer. But I will use a lip balm regardless, even if I'm not applying, you know, I will apply lip balm before any lipstick. So I think this is the shade Best Babe. And yeah, it's a good non-drying liquid lipstick. So if you have dry lips like me, you will really love this. And this was 175, and now I regret not purchasing more, but maybe next year I will try them. You know, next year, I don't mean next, this year is almost about to finish, you guys. So yeah, I'm saying it like that. So really like it as a blush plus as a lipstick. Really nice. You must check out, especially this shade is really pretty pinky nude on me. I really like it. Okay, so this liner by Maybelline, this is expensive, you guys. This is 500. I got it for 250 rupees. But you have, you know, I have created like a liner, and I have used this as kajal, and now I have to sharpen it. So every time I will use it, I have to sharpen it, and then the product will waste. For that, I don't like it. Maybe I will try to find affordable NYBA or Stay Quirky. They have really fun shades also. The shade is really pretty. If you love purple like me, you will really like the shade. And let me just give you a hand swatch of the shade as well. So this is the shade. So as you can see, this is not really dark purple. Okay, it's a, you know, like my nail paint. It's sort of similar. No, not that similar, but it's a light purple. That's what I want to say. So this is the shade of the lipstick and liner. So this is like really smudge proof. I yesterday swatched it and slept, and in the morning the swatch was there. So it is like a tattoo, as the name suggests. So if you want, if you have really oily eyelids, this will stay. You can try, you know, they have royal blue and so many different shades. So yeah. Okay, now the Mars concealer, it is so good, you guys. Can you guys see? My under eyes are looking so good. I will give you a close up. The shade match is pretty good. I will really recommend. Coverage is really good. The blendability, it's like it just blends itself, so it's so good. If you are a beginner, you will really like this because it's so budget friendly. Plus, the coverage and the blendability is awesome. I will highly recommend you. This is so good. And if you don't, if you are like me, you don't want to spend 700 rupees on LA Girl one, you can definitely grab this one. This is really comparable to the LA Girl one. Yeah, the last thing in this, you know, full face first impression is this. Now the fixer is good. The mist was really fine. The price point is awesome. It's like 150 rupees. And I have to test like about the longevity, of course, but the smell is like pan, which does not linger on. It's just when you will initially spray it on your face. So it is a really good fixer, but the smell, I don't know what to say about it. It's not annoying fragrance, but why it smells like pan, I don't know. So yeah. Okay, so with that, we are finishing this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you on my next one. Bye.